I will talk about integration by parts. So that's like, let's say we are product of two function and we need to integrate it. So there is a formula. It is somewhat like this. So basically it's like this: u and v both are function of x. So we have to express the integration that we have to solve is by like this. We have to express it like this: u dv. So u can be fx or gx, whatever. Let's say fx, I mean, and dv will be gx. So that's how we have to express it. And then if we can do that, then the integration will be like this: uv minus v du. So it will be clearer if I do an example. So let's say I have to integrate this one, x e to the power x. So one is x, the other one is e to the power x. Now we have to carefully select which one is u and which one is v, because u we have to differentiate, and it's better if we differentiate. It becomes a simpler expression, simpler function. So that's how we should do, and we should be able to express it as the we have to be able to integrate this one. So that's another thing, the v. So let's say here u is equal to x and v is dx, e to the power x. Dv is e to the power x, because that's what we have to do. This one is dv, and we know this one can be integrated easily, so we should choose something that can be integrated. So our v will be e to the power x and du will be 1. So that's the appropriate selection here, because du is 1, which is better than x, better than in the sense simpler than x, no x term at all, and dv is very much integratable, because e to the power x is that, so that remains the same. Whereas if we had chosen otherwise, then this one would be, the differentiation would be e to the power x, that's fine. But if u was e to the power if dv was x, then the integration would have been x square by 2, so that wouldn't be simpler. So basically like that. So now our this is very simple. So u will be uv minus v du, that will be the result. So we know what is u is x and v is e to the power x minus v du. V is e to the power x and du is 1, so that's better, just like that, and then plus c, the integration constant. So it becomes x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. That's the result here.